So in the previous lecture, we executed this command docker container run alpine echo hello world. So we are going to break this down like what each component does in this command. So the first component is the docker keyword. So docker keyword is basically the command line interface which talks to the docker engine, and docker engine is the one which runs the container. So after that we have this next keyword is the container. Container is the context. Like apart from container, there can be any other context also. Like we have images, and here, but we want to run a container. So in our case, we have a context container, and the next command is the run. So this basically combining these three keyword docker container run is basically we are saying to docker daemon that we want to run a container, and what container we want to run, then we are specifying the name of the image of the container, which is alpine. So so by these four letter we are saying to we are talking to docker daemon and telling it to run an alpine container, and then what process to run inside that container is echo hello world. Run this process echo hello world inside alpine docker container.